We know nothing about this man. The little man where you know say yes, he used to walk barefoot on a grass yard there so on a coal yard there so and he come from Spanish town. He no fi had nothing. He no fi had no top on his friend like him a Jamaican, him a black man pick
me. Notice all the people right? Wicked, you know, they wicked in a PNP, they wicked in a, they want to keep the people them poor. They want to keep the country. But they want to keep on the just like a communist country. They want to run the country just like
no, but my friend Granny tell him say the meaning of PNP is to keep the poor poorer.
They don't love the people in my country. They don't want to see development. They don't want to see nothing. And then and them are yet them are benefit from it, you know. And they don't want the little Jamaican people from nothing. They want to keep them down. So that's why he want them with dunks. They want to have them down and tell them come out and just tell them little something. Just like when we used to hear say, hey, digger cat and if the cow jump over the moon. So when you tell that, yes,
which
when you
was
tell something, you know, people just believe say cow can jump over the moon. If you never realize and can read, you know, say cow can't jump over the moon. I just like what the man that tell you little hear that people them. If you tell them say Hanjo, no fit did this so. If people them believe say Hanjo no fit did this so. No, they don't have a thinking brain mind for themselves.
And let's say, you know,
poor people and PNP like poor people, and him put up that picture of the shop where him in. It shouldn't look so because PNP him look poor and PNP love poor people. Him in a way him stand up look like.
Let me give you a joke. But before I want to hear from these two people down the bottom here, down below. Let me give you a joke. In the last local election, there was a sorry, there was a guy on my road. When me tell him, invite him and say, give me a chance. Give the gentleman who you know from your community a chance. And remember, PNP have the years around here so over 40 odd years. And they never done nothing for you. All they come and buy you rum and boom and whatever. The said guy, you know, you have a little bar and say, oh, wait till the election done. Damien Crawford promised me this and Damien Crawford promised me that.
What they do all the while. Promise me.
You see the day when the election done, the local election, they must show and say, you see how my bar stuck. Well, the last time I see the bar, I see the owner, I lick down the shelf them and I got to rent it out to somebody else.
Because what? He never stuck. Oh,
he never stuck.
Conference a fool.
Fool, yeah. Yes.
I just want to bring up with speed of what happened today, and anybody missed that interview. Let me tell you, man, you miss what is happening in Jamaica and the People's National Party.
Oh my God!
I hear Lawrence spread out his gut today. I could never believe that someone thinks is happening in the PNP and who they are and what they are. And I've said this long before today, that Mark Golding is going to become a dictator. And people never believe me or don't believe me. If you listen to how Mark Golding speak, to even his friends and comrades that you know is a forcible person who believes that anything him say, I will him say and it for go laugh. And it come out today in that interview with Lawrence Rowe that the same thing I'm saying, that is the same thing happened because Lawrence Rowe had been threatened many times and tell that he must choose what he want because if anything, we are going to choose the party and he's not bigger than the party. So you can know where that is going. So my brother and my sister and the people who are listening, want to be careful. Be careful I want to put on no X because at one place you can go for Jamaica survive. And it's right beside the bell. Brothers and sisters, come out, come vote when it call. Go out there and support Andrew Holness that him can finish his job, which him reach halfway with in this country. And don't let us play the fools of 1979 or something like that. Don't let us go back to those dark days. Please, me I beg you no. For no children, or no children. I am an old person now, so I may believe in this land anytime soon, but you must think about children. Our children that which is going to come up and live, because to it true, I don't want my grandchildren and my great-grandchildren to live in the country.
That is it.
You see, come
This
live in this
election
country.
is about the future of Jamaica and the future of our children and great-grandchildren. Not
Exactly,
about
brother.
us, it's the future of our
Not about
great-grandchildren and the country.
Not about us. I had never been speaking on a political platform before this year. But what I see happen in the parish council election and what I see happen there, I said, no, we can't go this way. And I was totally right. Every one of the parish council where the people in control and thief out the money. The whole of the money are missing and nobody do nothing about it. You see? But here still them have the authority and the audacity to come and call our Prime Minister criminal. And up till now, they can't find nothing. We're missing by the Prime Minister. But anyway, voting is the key. And voting, you must go out and vote. Don't worry about me, because me I got to be there before daylight. You see, because me know my granny and my grandfather used to tell me, say, the early bird catch the first worm. And if you wake too late, you wake up in snow. Anyway, that's my little piece, Yes, another thing, I would like anybody to go to YouTube and to see if they can find that video today about today. Because it was very outstanding. It was, let me tell you.
I'm
Lawrence,
telling you guys, listen to Mr. Senior. Today the interview, I'm telling you, I had to pull over with my mouth wide open. You hear me?
Lawrence Rowe got through hell, and let me tell you, that young boy is strong. I don't think I could go through half of where that young boy got through. When you listen to that guy speaking from him heart and what the things is, and him emotion, you know that is somebody who had been betrayed by Mark Golding and Peter Bunting and with the other criminal one, the name, the baby slayer.
Yeah. Satan Campbell.
Satan Campbell. Yeah.
What
But
happened
those-
is Lawrence Rhodes and nobody to all them see him.
Yes, and them say me not as I tell him I have something him saying going to call out them record because them say man or nobody. Him is not a real man, but him no say him is a real man. But what say them? It was very interesting, may I tell you, brother. It was very interesting. Anything you can do, search for it and find it.
Yeah, man, I try and find
Search for
it.
it and find it.
Man,
I have never.
I was playing a clip though.
I had never. Even the other girl there needs them who do an interview. I've never seen an interview with the in-depth. That really what happened today. You see, that what happened today. I see a live move from 180 person to 400 odd person, Spencer, in the space of 15 minutes.
Me no know, but me never know say me know the PNP wicked and vicious and the things them went talk. It no sound right, it no sound good.
Well, him say they must channel him. Any of them dare to channel him because him say him have the receipts, Okay.
Good night, everyone. Good night. Good night.
Not do them without him.
Good night.
Good night.
The man say, Crawford vote JLP in the last election.
All of that. Not
Several
him alone.
MP.
Put it on
Him
the
say
chart.
him vote JLP the last election. Damon Crawford vote JLP, and there's another MP down Westmoreland vote
I think
JLP.
that Diane Miller was sitting like such a name.
And he's going to what place name? Westmoreland on Sunday. He got the Prime Minister him join down there.
Well, the man revealed say Mark Golding a backer man too,
That's why this when Vaz draw the song it burn them.
Yeah, man say Mark Golding a backer man.
Yeah, because remember, you know,
And I pay kissing and all the things that go on between each other.
you have all the thing when them broke him hotel, when them broke him The other one, the hotel, a place there. And now the police can't get the full interview from him or anything like that.
Mm-hmm.
Because they do them damn nastiness.